meeting of the Flint County Finance Committee to order Thursday, March 12, 2026. Getting straight into the agenda, old business, none. New business, first item is finance minutes from February 12, 2025, pages 1 through 2.
Motion received, Bob.
Motion received, filed by Mr. Curry. Second by Commissioner Riddle. Any further discussion or questions? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 2 is the sales tax report for January 26, page 3.
Motion received, filed.
Motion received and filed by Commissioner Riddle. Second by Commissioner Schultz. Any further questions or discussion? Not, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 3, trustees' interest report for February 26, that's page 4 in your packet.
Motion received, filed.
Motion received and filed by Commissioner Elbridge. Second by Mr. McCurry. Any further discussion or questions? All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 4, financial director's report for February 26, that's pages 5 through 9. Motion received and filed by Commissioner Schultz. Second by Commissioner Riddle. Any further discussion or questions? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 5 is a resolution, school GPA amend BOE, pages 10 through 11 in your packet.
Motion approval.
Motion approved, Mr. McCurry. Second, Commissioner Schultz. Any further questions or discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 6 is a resolution of the county general for opioid interest, page 12 in your packet.
Motion approved.
Motion approved, Commissioner Riddle. Second, Mr. McCurry. Any further discussion or questions? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 7 is a resolution of the county general and solid waste fund budget amends for pages 13 through 14.
Motion approved.
Motion approved, Mr. McCurry. Second by Commissioner Schultz. Any further discussion or questions? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 8, resolution for a multi-year contract with circuit court clerk and Hitman Bowes, pages 15 through 18.
Motion approved.
Motion approved, Commissioner Elbridge. Second by Commissioner Riddle. Any further discussion or questions? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 9 is a resolution for a grant application for a CDBG grant for the Callan Clearwell water for the water department, pages 19 through 20.
Motion approved.
Motion approved by Commissioner Schultz. Second by Commissioner Riddle. Any further discussion or questions? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries.
Hey, Chris, I would like to ask,
Yes.
on this TDEC money, Andrew, how much is left that's not committed?
All of it's committed.
Okay, this was already committed then.
The
Clearwell?
that's different grant.
That's a CDBG, that's not the
Oh,
SWIFT
that's
grant.
not part of the
Yeah,
original.
it's different. It's a community block development grant.
Okay,
We had to pick one city or entity to sponsor, that's the one we picked to sponsor.
so it's not a part of that original?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Number 10, Title VI certification, page 21 in your packet.
Motion approved.
Motion approved, Mr. McCurry. Second by Commissioner Schultz. Any further discussion or questions? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 11 is a resolution for unclaimed property, page 22 in your packet.
Motion approved.
Motion approved by Commissioner Elbridge. Second by Commissioner Riddle. Any further discussion or questions? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 12, resolution reviewing debt management policy and fiscal strength, that's pages 23 through 30 in your packet.
Motion approved.
Motion approved by Mr. McCurry. Second by Commissioner Schultz. Any further discussion or questions? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 13 is a resolution, property assessor multi-year attorney contract, page 31 through 37.
And you already have the money in your budget, right?
I do, I should. I've got 16,000 sitting over there for, we used to have PPR do our audits, and we started doing our own audits for small accounts. So I have the money for this budget, I should be more than covered, I just have to have permission, obviously, to contract it.
Motion to approve.
Motion approved, Commissioner Riddle.
Second.
Second by Mr. McCurry. Any further discussion or questions? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Number 14, Finance Director. You have anything, Amber?
Yeah, I just need to bring this up. I don't see us acting on this, but the state is offering an optional incentive program for local education and local government agencies. They've done this before, and the cost for the employee would be less. You had to get biometric screenings and like get weighed and all that kind of good stuff. It didn't go over too well, even when it saved the employees money. Now, they have a program where we would pay the cost per month per employee. I don't see us having the personnel or the affording it, but I did want to bring it up to say I brought it up. We actually already have a free service called Hinge through Blue Cross Blue Shield State of Tennessee that, like I say, is free to employees if they want to take advantage of that. I'm in that. It's a good program. There's lots of free programs that go along with our state insurance if the employees want to take advantage of it, but it's, like I said, I just wanted to bring it up. If it's a cost per month per employees based on how many employees you have. For instance, if you've got 200 or 299 employees, it'd be $2.05 per employee per month for us to have this program. And then part of it also would be us offering financial awards, you know, when they meet criteria and such. So we would have to come up with that as well. So, like I said, I just wanted to bring it up, but I'm not advising that we do it.
Is this anything like when all this first started with the health coaches?
Yes,
Yes.
but
Remember that?
except the district is paying for it instead of you getting a cheaper rate on your medical insurance to do it.
Right.
Yes,
That's
that's why we don't, because we had trouble with that people doing, because we would have to keep up with who was doing what they were supposed to be doing.
Yeah, I'm not
The
advocating
incentive.
for it at all,
Yeah.
because they aggravated you to death.
We had enough,
Yeah.
we
I
had
don't mind
people that
saying.
wouldn't do it, they would much rather pay more for their own health
be
insurance
left alone.
than to go through all of that. It just would not be very beneficial on our.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Sounds great.
I'll say.
But like I say, we have Hinge. And then the other, I've got the finding from last year's, that was on the Board of Education for the, federal projects on the posting of the budget amendments. And I think we already talked about that, because we amended the resolution for this fiscal year for it. And it's basically wording in the resolution that had to be changed. So we've already taken care of this, but I wanted, since the audit actually officially got posted, I wanted to have that in the minutes. And then I have, a cleanup amendment on county general for the TDEC utility grant that I'd like to get approved.
Motion approved.
Motion approved by Mr. McCurry,
Second.
second by Commissioner Riddle. Any further discussion or questions? Hearing none, all in favor say aye. Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. It takes us to item number 16, where we open the, meeting open to public comment, or any public comments? Hearing none. Board of Education meets 4-6, County Commission 3:23, Highway Commission 3:19, Finance Committee again at April 16th. Anybody else have anything? Chair to entertain a motion to adjourn. Motion adjourned by Commissioner Riddle, second by Commissioner Schultz. All in favor say aye. Aye. Any opposed? We are adjourned.